Today we're going to show you how to make your own labels with the Afinia L901 label printer. The L901 allows you to use 3 different types of media. Black mark die cut labels with unique or circular shapes, rectangular gap sensed labels, and uncut continuous rolls to be laminated and shape cut down the line. Edge-to-edge full bleed prints, as you see here, can be achieved with all 3 media types. First, you'll start with the XL Unwinder, which allows up to a 10-inch outside diameter roll. Load the media onto the mandrel, place the outside disc on the top, and tighten the knob. When you place the mandrel on the Unwinder, make sure that it slides all the way down and double check that the knob is finger tight. When loading media into the printer, first make sure the Unwinder is switched off. Then push the material under the dancer arm and line it up on the fixed media guide on the far side. You can use these 2 pins to make sure the media is properly aligned and will feed straight. While holding the media in place, use the adjustable guide to keep it from moving left to right. Then pull the top assembly latch down to secure the media for loading. From here, loading the media into the printer is easily done with a couple of taps on the touchscreen. Once you have the media loaded, it's best to run the clean printhead option to hydrate the nozzles. On the right, you'll see the ink available in each cartridge. Other useful information, such as real-time print status, is displayed on the touchscreen panel. The media button here lets you choose your media type: continuous, gap, or black mark. We'll select continuous for this example, and then we'll jump over to the computer and into the print driver. On your PC, open the artwork file you'd like to print. The L901 uses standard Windows drivers, so no special software is required. Select the Afinia L901 label printer and access the printer driver by selecting Properties. In the General tab, go down to Media Type and select the print profile for the label material you'll be printing on. In this example, we're running a gloss BOPP material, so we'll select Premium Glossy Label Print Profile. Next, you'll select the right size and check the print quality. For this, we'll use Best and leave the speed at 100%. By checking the print capture box, you can easily reprint this artwork later using only the printer's built-in touchscreen panel. Click the Media tab and check End Job Cut. This will execute a cut at the end of the job. Leaving this option unchecked allows you to print multiple jobs onto one roll without cutting. Click OK to accept these settings. Confirm the desired number of copies and hit print. As we mentioned, you can use the touchscreen display to reprint artwork that was previously sent to the printer. To do this, select your stored artwork file and enter the number of copies. We'll go with 500 this time. Most crucial driver settings are available here, so it's very useful for repeat jobs. We'll choose Best Print Quality for vibrant colors and optical density, and with the Unwinder switched on, hit Print. The printer will perform a quick pre-job service cycle before it begins. Once a few feet of material have been printed, we'll pause the printer to thread the material through the rewinder and attach it to the rewind core. Make sure the power on the rewinder is off during this step. You can refer back to this diagram to properly thread the rewinder unit. Here's our current job running at full quality, 6 inches per second. For a quick comparison, here's an overlay of another job running at full speed, 12 inches per second. As you can see, this printer is fast and can churn out full color labels at 60 feet or 18 meters per minute. When the L901 finishes printing, you can turn the power on the rewinder off and manually rewind the last few feet. Finish up by removing the mandrel, loosening the knob, and taking off the outside disc. Your labels are now ready to be placed onto products. Or, in the case of a continuous job like this, brought to a separate finishing machine for lamination and shape cutting. Thank you for watching this product demonstration for the Afinia L901 label printer.